Best deals. 1. Dosa Tawa. Made from superior grade cast iron which is stronger and fights rust longer. Can use metal ladles. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, will not rust with regular care. Extra thick 5 mm base, food will not burn or stick. Can use high heat, spreads and retains heat well. Easy to cook in. Goodness of iron, non-toxic, no coating, naturally non-stick, healthy, tasty, crispy food. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Coffee filter. Is made from superior quality stainless steel, ensuring durability. Stainless steel drip Madras coffee percolator is a thoughtful gift to yourself or a friend who appreciates the art of coffee brewing. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Capsule. Premium food grade stainless steel, ensures durability and resistance to rust, maintaining the freshness of stored items. Transparent polycarbonate lid, allows easy identification of contents without opening, saving time and preserving freshness. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Egg separator. Crafted from high quality, food grade plastic, this egg separator ensures safety. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Biryani Handi. Crafted with natural stone coating, known for its non-toxic properties, promoting safe and healthy meals for your family. Designed with an induction-compatible base, this non-stick saucepan ensures consistent results for milk boiling, tea making, and cooking delicate sauces. Featuring a premium wooden handle, this pan offers a comfortable grip and stays cool during cooking, combining safety with an elegant design. Includes a sturdy lid to retain moisture and flavors, making this non-stick saucepan perfect for steaming, boiling, and simmering. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Containers. The sugar bowl can be directly cleaned in the dishwasher. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grater. Equipped with a handy measuring base that collects and tracks your grated ingredients, this box grater streamlines your prep time and minimizes mess. The wide ergonomic handle and sturdy non-slip base offer superior grip and comfort, ensuring safety. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Towel rod. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Hang bath towels, clothes, napkins in your bathroom with this towel hanger. Hang microfiber dusting clothes, kitchen napkins, towels and more in your kitchen with this towel stand. Keep your face towels ready for personal use with the elegant style and finish of this towel rods. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dustbin. It's durable. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Blender. Is compact and convenient. It is light-weighted and hence, you can carry it with you to parks, gym, office, camping or anywhere you want to. It can easily fit into your backpacks, handbags. It has a safety lid mechanism which makes the motor and hence the blades to stall when the lid is taken off the juice cup. Also, the blender cuts off automatically after 20s. It helps you to blend smoothies, shakes, juices, dips. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Container. Polished stainless steel resists rust and stains while keeping food safe and container durable for daily kitchen use. Holds wheat, rice, flour, or grains efficiently to reduce refills and keep pantry essentials organized. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Fry pan. PFOA-free non-stick shielded by stainless steel ridges, can use metal spatula. Less wear and tear, lasts longer. Extra thick 3 mm tri-ply, retains heat well. Cooks evenly. Stay cool, sturdy stainless steel handles, comfortable to hold even when pan is hot. Works on gas plus induction. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Pressure cooker. Its extra thick heavy base ensures food doesn't burn, while the impact bonded. Stainless steel encapsulated base stays flat and won't separate, perfect for induction and gas. Food level indicators help prevent dal from sprouting and make cooking more user-friendly. The new ergonomic handle stays cool and offers a comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Kulfi molds. You don't need an ice cream making machine to prepare frozen ice cream. It is very easy to making ice cream. Just fill the molds, maker with the required ingredients and keep it in the freezer. This mold maker prepares 8 key type ice candies, creams at a time. It can be used over and over again to make all natural large frozen treats such as juice, yogurt with fruit and anything you like. No more sticky hands. These ice cream molds are designed to make drip-free ice creams and give a clean, no-mess experience. Molds keep your fingers and clothes free from sticky drips. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cleaner is ideal for the easy removal of stubborn stains and large areas of dirt on carpets, upholstery, car seats, floor mats, dog baskets and much more. Even spills such as drinks can be removed in no time at all. The handy brushes have an innovative spray system. Spraying, brushing and vacuuming can now be done in one operation, without changing brushes. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cooker is an all-in-one kitchen tool that lets you measure, rinse, cook, and serve rice or grains with ease. Designed for convenience, it's a must-have kitchen tool for cooking fluffy results without hassle, perfect for busy kitchens or quick meals using smart kitchen tools for modern living. With all components included, it simplifies cooking and storage. Great for those who want multifunctional kitchen tools. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Funnels. Made of premium quality silicone, our kitchen funnel set is environmentally friendly and 100% food grade safe. Multipurpose large funnel, just put it on bottles or cans, then pouring fresh fruit jars, delicious coffee, sweet candy etc. The 1.65 inches wide mouth is large enough for transferring most food. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cast iron kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron kadai is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like biryani, sabzi, fried snacks, gravies and many more. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. To season cast iron cookware, 1. Pour a little vegetable oil and use a clean cloth to apply oil around the entire cookware surface, including the outer portion too. Mildly heat the cookware. 3. Wipe off excess oil, if any. Store cookware until next use. Kadai is made from 100% natural material, that is, pure cast iron. Kadai has no harmful chemical coating. So, you don't have to worry about consuming toxins that are released by non-stick cookware. Cast iron releases a good amount of iron nutrient in your food, which is an added benefit for good health. Pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, this kadai thus has a naturally non-stick finish. Pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, this kadai thus has a naturally non-stick finish. You enjoy an effortless cooking experience, right from day one without burning or sticking. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Toilet paper holder. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Thoughtfully designed. Perfect size that fits even in congested space. Additional provision has been provided to keep your mobile phone on it. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Dish drying rack. The dual-layer design of this over-the-sink dish drying rack inherently supports multifunctionality. The top utility mesh shelf offers adaptable storage, while the secondary dish drain rack features multiple slots for efficient drying. This over-sink dish rack for kitchen allows you to accommodate various kitchenware, from dishes to tableware, addressing all your sink organizer storage needs. Equipped with multiple hooks and side storage space, this over-sink dish drying rack offers convenient access to frequently used items. Easily hang utensils or other kitchen tools for fast reach, sparing you the hassle of searching. This over-the-sink dish rack is a transformative tool that enhances kitchen workflows and elevates daily cooking experiences, ideal as a sink organizer for any home. Its optimal size blends seamlessly into your kitchen, offering a sophisticated look while ensuring efficiency. Ideal over-sink dish rack for kitchen for those seeking both style and functionality in their home. The over-the-sink dish drying rack design makes your kitchen look neat and organized. Transform clutter into order with this innovative over-sink dish rack for kitchen that utilizes the unused space above your sink. Product link is given in the 20th link.